are going to love the 2019 Mercedes CLA. The CLA comes with impressive handling, elegance, and luxury interiors. It has amazing sleek lines, which also reduces the coefficient drag to minimal and making it very aerodynamic. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, power passenger seat, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, aluminum wheels, cruise control, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.